Good morning, everybody. It's a new week. Let's see what's going on. We got green futures. All right, let's go to ES. So ES is flying up. I'm not sure what exactly happened at 8 p.m. 8 a.m. Don't see any news or anything, but it seems like TNX and DXY causing it to go up. So anyhow, pre-market right now 1-5. Everything is upward. Um, Daily is curving up again. Last week we got a curve up, but then it failed. So gotta be cautious if it fails again. But if it goes up and then we got a golden cross on daily, we are good to go. We are still golden cross on the statistic fast, so it's a good news there. And it's about 44.2675. Need to break the high of last week, 44.85. Break that one, then good to go. Otherwise, it can be another failure. I still believe that September can be bloodbath. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. NQ about 15,000 for now. Everything is bullish here. 4 hours about the golden cross. Good morning, Josh. Yes, please like the video. It helps a lot. The algorithms for YouTube. Um, Pre-market looking very bullish on all time frames. 4 hour on the edge to golden cross. Dailies are upward. If you get a golden cross, it can be very nice. Next target is 461.98. It's squeezing higher, guys. And weekly, we still have got statistic fast golden cross there. Dow Jones. We got a first yellow bar on the daily TTM. That's a good sign. And also weekly, we got a golden cross on a statistic fast. Um, RUT, we are dead cross on the weekly, and statistic fast is about the golden cross. So most likely, my prediction is that probably this week we're gonna have a little bit run up, maybe end of the week toward because it's gonna be end of the month. Probably gonna be some rebalancing, and maybe be a surprise on Friday, red day. And but still, I believe September is gonna be bad. So be cautious about it. And anyhow, today market is green, so hopefully it lasts maybe a few days. Um, so let's see. TNX is pulling back hard since it's opening at 820. So that's been helping the market rise up so far. And 4168, that's a key to watch. If it breaks that one, it's gonna be amazing for market. Daily is dead cross, and all time frames are bearish downward. DXY, it was green, but now it's pulling back, so that can help text a lot. It's pulling back very hard. And 4 hours dead cross, daily not dead cross yet. So if it pulls back 103.676, that's the key level to watch. That's the next target. And if it's surprisingly during the day jumps again, 104.369. That's the next target. VIX, it was very green pre-market, but after 8 starts dropping. So right now is small red, hovering around 1586. If it passes 1586, we're looking at 1526, 1479. Below 1479, market can get very squeezy. But if it can let go 1586, the next target is 1639 and higher level. For now, right now, 15 is downward, 30 is about to dead cross, and 1 hour and 4 hours downward. So there is higher chance for going up unless market surprise at open and suddenly pulls back. It did happen last few weeks, so be cautious at open. BTC pre-market 15:30 1 hour is upward, 4 hour MACD is upward, but we don't have a yellow bar on TTM squeeze yet, and need to break this range. Once it breaks it, then it can be for a solid run. Otherwise, till then, it's just gonna be up and down. But today is looking bullish. Apple is opening above 179.51 key level. So if it jumps up higher, we're looking at 181.13, 183.2. Pre-market looking very bullish. Daily got a golden cross on Friday, so that's a good sign. We got a statistic fast weekly golden cross, so there is a higher chance for jump up. If it can hold 179.51, if it fails, 5 minutes MACD dead crosses, followed by 15, then it can go retest lower levels. Amazon pre-market, 5 is up, everything looking up, 4 hours even golden cross, and need to next target is 134.77. It's in very small range. If you look at daily, it's just going up between 130 and 140, very small range. So the movements are very small. You gotta wait for just keep that in mind. The premium is not gonna move up crazy, but once it breaks the range, it's gonna be big moves. So anyhow, 137, 134.77 breaks, 136.19 is next. Above that, those are the higher level. But again, if it fails, if 5 and 15 MACD dead crosses, 133, 132.46 is the next support there. Nvidia 2 points higher. It was very, very weak on Friday, but keep in mind this one had a good earnings, so it was probably most likely profit locking. So right now, it does have chance later on goes higher, but for now, 4 hours is still downward. It's mixed signal, not clear what's gonna happen. Gotta pay attention to the price action. Past 462, next target is 464, 466. Past 466, next major level is 474.61. If it goes below 456.96, it can retest 450 low of Friday and lower level 447.56 because the 4 hour is still downward. Most likely, this is gonna touch a low and then have a hard bounce up and retest 500 probably next 10 days. Baba, nice news came out of Hong Kong. They reduced the commissions on the tax on the trading and blah blah blah. So many news came out of there. So anyhow, if it jumps up, continue going higher, 91.87, 93.53. That's the next target. Pre-market looking very bullish, and daily we got Friday we got a yellow bar, so that was a good sign. Need to pass 91.87. Passes 93.53 and higher level 94.78, 96 and 98. BDU same thing. Pre-market looking bullish. When daily MACD is curved up, maybe golden crosses this week. If it does, 137.7. That's a key level to watch. 137.27 pass. 138, 141, 144.33. Those are the next targets. Netflix 2 points higher. 419.6 breaks. 423.21 is the next target. 4 hours golden cross, so that's a good sign. 423, if it passes, it can go for another run up. 426, 422, 437.76 is our next targets. Meta, 4 hours curved up. Daily we got a yellow bar, but MACD is still downward and weekly is downward. So be cautious playing calls on this one. It can fail anytime, but if it does break 288.7, next target is 292.65. Breaks that one. If market gets a squeezy, 295, 300, 305.84. Tesla was a beauty on Friday. It showed a lot of strength. It jumped at open, then it pulled back. Premiums got crushed. Then non-stop went up, and then later they get the squeeze up. 1 hour was very bullish. 30, 15 was very bullish on Friday, and then it continued. And 4 hour was bearish until like before 1 p.m. And then 1 p.m. We got a yellow bar. And then after close, we got a almost at the close before close, we got a 4 hour golden cross. So that was a sign that's a possible high chance gap up open. So anyhow, it's gapping up right now, 5 points higher almost. 5 points higher. So key to watch is 246.1, and right now 15 is up. 30 minutes we are up, but it's getting light dark blue, so it's switching fast. And 1 hour is on the edge. It's all about 246.1. If it passes 246.1 today, close above, we're looking at 248, 252, 256, 54 next. But if it opens, because 5 minutes is downward right now, if it opens is drop between now and then pulls back, and 15 we got a dark blue bar. 242.97 is a key to watch. If it breaks 242.97, then it can go retest lower level again. Be cautious. The last few weeks, every time it jumped, it had sometimes possibility of a pullback right at open. So be cautious about that. But in general, daily MACD is golden cross. 4 hour, 1 hour is upward, so it does have a chance to go for multi-day run up. 246.1, that's the key. Anyway, enough of Tesla. Microsoft pre-market 15.31 hour upward, 4 hours on the edge. Need to pass 326.17 to run up higher. 326.17 pass. We're looking at 327, 329, 331, 331 higher level. Those are higher level. It does have a chance. Weekly is golden crossing on the statistic fast. Daily is upward, and just keep an eye on 326. If it passes, it can go up higher, but if it fails at open and drops again, market gets choppy. 324, 322, 320, 94 is the next support levels. Google gap up open this one too. A small point, 1.5 to 131.82 is a key level to watch. 4 hours close to have a golden cross, but at the same time daily we're getting a red bar, so keep that in mind. We got Friday daily red bar. 130 182, if it passes we're looking at 132.71, 134.15, 135.59. Again, if it goes below 130.04 and fails, it can go retest lower levels. AMD went down crazy on Friday, went down all the way to below 100, and it pulled back up. 103.2 is the key level to watch for bounce up. If it passes 103.2, next level to watch is 105.69 and 108.18. 4 hour is curved up, so there is some hope there, but we'll see. Be cautious on AMD in general, is much weaker. Boeing was got a nice news. Was finally it reached 211 almost on Friday. I was about to touch it down, but then news came in China, and then boom, jumped up. It's opening above 223.2, so 226.13. That's a key level to watch. Past 226.13, we're looking at 230, 235.61. Pre-market right now 5.15 and 30 is downwards, so probably some profit locking. It's all about 223 and 226. Passes either one, it can have a bigger move. SPY all the way to 442 major level. It touched it right now. And what pre-market 5, 15, 30, 1 hour all looking upward. So if it jumps up, if it passes 443.71, then the next target is 446, 449. Just keep in mind that last week on Friday, 446.42 was a failure point of the market. It went to 446.42 and then boom, it fell and boom, all the way came down almost like 10 points. So on Thursday, I'm sorry. So anyhow, there is a possibility maybe we retest that again. Today, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. But again, if it fails to at any point it fails, at any major level it fails, can go retest those levels again. QQQ, 2 points higher. 367 is a key level to watch today. 367.54, if it passes, we're looking at 370.86. 375.1 next targets. But if it fails again, if 5 and 15 MACD dead crosses, it can go and reach a lower level. For now, right now, a direction looking up on 5 all the way to 4 hour, and daily most likely will be close to having a golden cross. If there's any name you're interested, let me know. Everything is gapping up. Everything is strong so far. Snow has earning this week. I'm sorry, Snow had earning last week. MDB has earning, can have an effect on the Snow this week. So 156.76, that's the key level there to watch. AVGO, if Nvidia or semis start running up, this can help boost it up. 862, 873. SMH, if it passes 150.7, 152.01 is the next target there. SMCI, every time it falls, it gets a bounce up. So 262.14 is a key level to watch. Passes, we're looking at 266, 274 and higher level. But what else you got here? ORCL has an earning in 2 weeks, I think. Yeah, so that earning day is not set there yet. MDB has an earning this week. That's gonna be a focus. So 367 is already opening above it. Passes, if it continues going higher, we're looking at 370, 397, 380, 382, and 390, 367. Those are the next target. Looking bullish for the market. 4 hours curved up, so it's all about having a big jump up. If a big jumps up, it can run up higher. But VFS got an option, so this is gonna be hot. It's gonna be hot from now on. This jumped from 11 all the way to 90, so there's gonna be a lot of room to move. I mean, it goes up or down, I don't know. But for now, 1530 is downward. 1 hour is about to dead cross 76.3. If it passes, we're looking at 65.25, 58.42. But if it jumps up again, if it continues running up, 87.35 passes. Next major level is 134.416. Anyway, we'll update in the service there. What else you got here? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Triple M, got, because of the news, is jumping up. So 104.74. If it let it go higher, 108.51 and 112.28 is the next target. TLT on the TNX pullback can be a good play. 95.91 is the next key level. Passes that one, we're looking at 96.48, 96.95, 97.41. And that's pretty much it. As always, keep an eye on 15 and 5 minutes MACDs. If you see 15 MACD dead crosses and 30 follows, it can all the way reverse back. 5 MACD is gonna give you first signal, but for now market is upward. So if you see run up, jumps up at open, it can be a non-stop green days. Anyway, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much for tuning in. As always, if you like, you can sign up for sale option service, or if you just want level, chartweiser.com. Best of luck today. Thank you so much.